are my sunflowers and there is something very special with them. Parrots have come to eat my sunflowers and they are not scared that I am there. They just want the sunflowers. See? If you can see clearly, there. Yes, over there. Can you see? I hope so because they are eating my sunflowers. And they are so cute. They are not scared if I am there. See? So cute. Even if I come a little closer, they won't at all be scared. I don't know what's the matter with them. They just want sunflowers. The other parrot is eating and the other parrot is saying that give me also, bad girl. Bad girl or boy, I don't know. See how they are eating. Isn't it cute? I can watch it all day. It's so cute.